Hey, it's Pastor Dan from Dexter Gospel Church with another Proverbs Practical. Thank you for watching. Today's verse looks at the third of four small creatures that can teach us big lessons. We're in Proverbs 30, verse 27, and it says, "The locusts have no king, yet go they forth all of them by bands." So the next wise little animal is the locust, often called a grasshopper. Again, it's not all that big by itself. I mean, for a bug, a locust is pretty big, but by itself, it's pretty easy prey for pretty much anyone and anything. In fact, many people around the world seem to see grasshoppers or locusts as delicacies, and they'll roast them and put them in chocolate or salt them or various things. But in a group, locusts can devastate nations. It doesn't even have to be a miraculous plague like the one in Egypt. It can just be a normal swarm of locusts. And why are they so powerful? Precisely because they swarm. They work together. One locust is nothing, but a swarm is devastation. Yet this teamwork and coordination isn't because they have a king. They don't have some boss locust telling everyone where to go, when to leave, what path to take, what flight plan to file. They just naturally move in a giant swarm. And despite their numbers, they don't seem to get in each other's way. Their flight might look random, but there's very little confusion and obstruction among them. They all seem like they're pursuing the same goal, even though no one makes them do it. The fact is that we are all stronger together. Humans are meant to be together and work together too. A team is greater than the sum of its parts. We often think that all of this rises and falls on leadership. And indeed, leaders do a lot of the work and get a lot of the credit. But locusts don't seem to have leaders, and they still work together. A leader without followers is just a loner. There have to be folk willing to join together and work together and pursue the same purpose. If that will is present, then teamwork can happen. If that willingness is absent, no king or leadership can replace it. So maybe the lesson we're supposed to learn is that we shouldn't have to be forced to work together. We shouldn't need a king to make us. And if we have leadership structure and coordination, instead of resenting that, maybe we should work within it. By doing so, we become capable of so much more than if each of us heads out on our own to do our own thing. There's tremendous power in unity and teamwork. This becomes all the more true in Jesus Christ, where our prayers are more powerful if they are in unity, and where our unity proves the reality of God's love and Christ's identity to the world. We can all do so much more together than we can alone. I hope this video is a blessing to you. If it is, give it a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more insights from the Scriptures. Until next time, I hope you stay well and band together willingly with other believers.